So what you say, bigger brother?
You know over there, you know, say, alright people, listen to me now. This is Bigger Bras 101. I want you to go check me out on YouTube, on Instagram, and Facebook. Watch out now. You see, today subject we are talking about love. Because you have some man say they love and they love deep. But me there are something in my 30s and see one 60-year-old. You can't tell them all love. Talk to them, Mr. Light.
No love, man. No love, man, brother. You need to talk about love. Love come under the word sacrifice. Watch out now. If you say you love when a gunman running for you, say you are Paris. What you do?
No, you have to go up there, no, teacher. Like, me can't go up there. No. You have to go take lead.
What you do, brother? And you say you love them, where they love them?
Me say go take lead.
You love your woman, and when you a gunman running, say you are mama. What you do? Me I say mama go body with you. So we love them. A spirit take and a like we like.
What you think
so
of that?
They want all the big boy themselves be careful.
Yeah,
and so you don't pick up woman. You don't have to go in a Proverbs brother and go down that road. The Proverbs teach you everything about woman.
What are that alone?
We get carried away by the flesh.
Yes,
one bigger brad.
Yes, them they drive through Hanover, Westmoreland. Top of one bar, play one box. Me a wall when me look out and do a walk. And brother, me sit up on one nice apple tree. Rope round neck, the pan bucket lean one side, my tongue out that head. Me not even move. From me look and see, me not move. What happened? Him go push him woman, do one little man in there, they drive some wood pan for him woman. What you think?
He deserve a medal, man, but if he hang. That give him a medal only if he hang in blood clot. And plus him good and him good looking.
What are that?
Barcelona.
Belly big, like a
pampas.
I'm saying we kill this part of it. From the born in my 30 years, yeah. Me no see a woman jump off a tree right from the barn. Me no see a woman get up this morning, talk a matic in her front and say, babes.
Later, me go look
food. Me go look food and come. That now happen. How we the fucking need up on front row?
No man,
every move you move, how we up on front row? What make? Me no see no woman that go work. Hey, me grew up, me can't see my grandma, me no see no grandfather. You know why? That they fucking idiot there when they work hard.
Yeah, man.
They don't feel my grandpa work hard. I want fishing burning on a rocky road. I feel my grandma up there right now. Me don't know what happened, but me don't know what the man them youth. All that man. Me say, hold on. Teacher like, but I know that woman now do nothing.
Smart time.
Woman not smart. We not even give woman a chance to smart. Look at Demos do. What do you Mr. Demos call me?
I'm borderline.
By him call me. You know how long me there tired and want rest and Mr. Demos come borderline left me?
Not true.
Look how someone has 61 and fed up and want go, man, him can't go on now. And yeah, Demos come borderline. Demos have big fat license gun. Girl picnic pack come from foreign now saying one.
24 Demos have blood clot old boy.
Girl at 24
picnic
pack saying want see picnic. Demos say and a film then body him can't go. Yeah. Girl say well and if your dead body I'm going. Girl be dressed up well nice, ready for go. Demos bush shot in her head. Turn gun in her.
When see Demos earlier and that no go on, you know.
But it don't go on time, probably not mash up you too.
Well,
no father man when they do anything and say watch a boom, they all laugh and say but Demos in a man, he go hurt you. The man call me to check him. I wanna feel me next nigga when me dey roll with go pick up his son, me no get to check Demos since probably me dey rest in peace to feel what one fool man with part time love deep. Oi, next thing me see, Demos take gun turn in her mouth, shoot out head, me say when me see, oi. After your journey, me dey go up on the funeral, me have to turn back. If life so precious, first thing, him have life to go to every youth one. Him have life apart some man sick up hospital, they shoot up right now, one feet life. And him take feed life, go that shit.
So where you man know bigger brother and kill himself over?
Let them do to what they buried. But not even that. Me have one gambling nigga that me and him gamble more while there. Me see him have him nice wife left him dancing Ghana now that pick him up. What you think happened to him now?
That's right.
And I beg me, me say rest in peace, come up on phone every minute, everybody me say RIP. When me really check out for me boy gone, huh? Then shut him up over now. Yeah. Now you want to tell me say them man are almost rocket scientists, them are astronaut because them see burning fire and they running night. That thing fireman not brave like a them man. If you know say a bomb they drop on the hood and them they go over there. Them are people. Me no understand. I mean I see no girl get up here the girl them. Watch the fucking idiot dead gone. And what a man fi understand about a woman. As you sleep so, and say you kill for yourself, and woman can take one next man. Me, I want to my cousin said we ever drink Glamazone and say when he reach hospital and really see a woman fat and shine, yeah, doctor, anything you can do, save me. Yeah, doctor.
Doctor say you run late.
Yeah, man, it too late.
Rest.
Dead to blood clot. Every day I see my little cousin person in that span out there for killing himself over pussy gone. You are some man, then fall for pussy, some fall for love.
Crazy.
Some for brother.
Crazy.
But me say,
and most of them money they not nothing, no brother. They not looks and they not money. What they have?
but not even that alone.
Some of them jack all
And
they drop blood
not
clot
even
pressure.
that alone. They look for me. Me in my churches and for me jack. For me jack. Me walk one girl the day. Girl say, babes, me not tell her no lie. Can't get something with enough man. Enough man not have a chance. If you're ignorant, then can't sit down with them woman and reason, you know. Cause what they mean a girl the reason. I say, babes, tell me the truth. Hear the girl tell me, Brady. Me not tell her no lie. Me really like you know your phone for the run, but guess what? You would not give me the buzz when me want. That means if me would have. Nah, do not. The girl want hot pepper, scotch bonnet, and me a sweet pepper. You say they travel with. I'm still not kill myself. Me just wall out. And them a man not even a reason with the band. And the way them dark, they not even get a chance to reason with the girl and say, babes, what the problem? Tell me what me not do right. Some of them name have a whole like blood clot front them with the bang ground. No front can left. Every go you go. Front just say lick. And you know what me see to teacher like?
Yeah.
Sometimes the girl them take off them panty, we them pussy tongue clit long so. And see man them yeah?
Big sweetie.
How them lick every click there? My man them say they not do it.
Yes, so one man they grow on the whole blood clot globe and the
Yeah, the whole of man them say they not have no front so. How them a front clitter, how them a clitter so long?
So long.
And
Rock out of the boat.
all of them a man say they not have front.
Yeah.
Then you never see that twice but then.
After one.
All of them a man say they not have front. And you check a man front so long clit so. Look like a time code over. But you, somehow no crazy man out there. Mr. Wicked that thing. Fit me a one cousin running named Mikey Brown. Oh Jesus Christ. I tell you me buck up and film picture. Me have to bust out. Me have to drop some tears. But why? Me have to wipe him up and remember him. The man serious in a man way which part the man have one woman and the man pick him and go give you the pussy. You know what the man do? The man take one.
And give to no bigger brother using.
They no fear.
They no
You no
feel
give it. You no give it.
Go fuck.
The man take one crowbar and dig one blood clot hole under the tree, you know.
Yeah.
And plant and piece of pipe in
That
and
mean
then.
if the rope bust, you know, the peg hold him, you know. The
Me
man
say,
serious, brother.
I serious this man,
Yeah,
me say
man.
me know say them man in my family. The man jump, you know. Me say the man jump and every time when the man jump over one piece of iron turn up so. And the
And him
man
a bridge in a bigger brother, and if he all know in a round the hang up.
oh
You
Jesus
don't give a fuck
Christ.
about him. Once
You
you
know,
find yourself suicide,
Then when me turn up there and see
I
man,
remember
me not
brother,
tell no
man.
lie, me have to just walk away.
just
But
get
me say
fucked.
from me 30 odd years, what are they, how much?
61.
61. You ever see a woman jump off a tree for your man?
Never. And you look like it don't happen.
Then me tell us that history can't broke all know when a woman jump off a tree for man. So what could I walk in a whistle make we dey jump?
No.
We dey run out. Missy man all
No
can
love.
Missy man take woman from blood clot country can come here when me look. Woman put him outside now and got big house. Him have it out that door.
Turn animal.
Turn any blood clot man and man in a house.
See them there, man.
Missy man have them. Woman say him want head him just him not running. Him have to move out. And woman live in a big 3-story and him out that door. Sit down here look how him afraid to use mouth and girl want mouth. Bumbo cat them a snack and normal.
Right them, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Miss but wicked that thing, Missy Iceberg. Iceberg have blood clot shiny woman. Woman no give him chance. Fi say him fi try turn shiny, you know. Woman left him with picnic cap, picnic go girl shiny man gone say. Him can't wait, sir. Shiny him
Man,
want.
you need to get a hold of themselves, brother.
Yeah.
And stop the fuckery.
Missy man got
Don't blame
all.
woman for nothing.
No. Cause Missy man got all woman go sub up and woman go sub up and turn. Woman say want rasta. And fee man a ball. You know talk to him man and tell him man say yo, you have to go rasta, you know.
So then mad over there.
Him left man look round there so. Chani come out there so. Yeah man. See what have him man them be.